Hello students, today we are going to start our third chapter, that is playing with numbers. First we will discuss what are factors. The numbers which exactly divides the given number are called the factors of that number. Let's take an example, that is factors of 12. Okay, now we can see that if we multiply 1 with 12, we will get 12. If we multiply 2 to 6, then also we will get 12. And if we multiply 3 to 4, then also we get a result as a 12. Here you can see 1 into 12 is 12, 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 4 is 12, 4 into 3 is 12, 6 into 2 is also 12, and 12 into 1 is also 12. So hence we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. The factors are always less than or equal to the given number. Now next is multiples. Here we can see that if we say that 4 and 5 are the factors of 20, then 20 is the multiple of both 4 and 5. Let's see. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So we can say that 20 is a multiple of 4 as well as 5. And we can say this also that 5 is a factor of 20 and 4 is also a factor of 20. Now list the multiples of 3. We are going to write some multiples of 3, that is 3. When we multiply 3 into 1, we will get 3. 2 times 3 results 6. 3 times 3 will result 9. 4 times 3 results 12. If we multiplied 3 into 5, it will result 15. 3 into 6, it will result 18. Okay, so here 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15 and 18, all these are the multiples of 3. So multiples are always more than or equal to the given number. So now let's learn some important facts about multiples. 1 is the only number which is factor of every number. Every number is the factor of itself. All the factors of any number are exact divisor of that number. It means that if 2 and 3 are the factor of 6, then if we divide 6 by 2 or by 3, the remainder will be 0. Okay, now all the factors are less than or equal to the given number. Multiples are greater than equal to the particular number and factors are less than equal to the given number. Perfect number. The sum of all the factors of any number is equal to double of that number, then the number is called perfect number. Let's understand it as from an example. Now consider 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. If we add all these numbers, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, we will get 12 as a result. Here you can see that 12 is double of 6. Okay, 12 is just double of 6. So 6 will be considered as a perfect number, right? Similarly 28. If we write down the factors of 28, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. These are the factors of 28. If we add all these numbers, it would result 56. And we can easily see that 56 is the double of 28. So 28 is also a perfect number. Similarly, 496 is also a perfect number. Here also one thing we can note down that from 1 to 100 only there are only two perfect numbers we can see, 6 and 28. Now, prime numbers. The numbers whose only factor are 1 and the number itself is called prime numbers, like 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Composite numbers. All the numbers with more than 2 factors are called composite numbers, or you can say the numbers which are not prime are called composite number, like 4, 8, 10, 12, etc. Remark that 1 is either a prime number or neither a prime number nor a composite number. Now, to find the all prime numbers from 1 to 100, we have a method known as Siev's-Erasmus method. Okay. Now, to find out all the numbers from all the prime numbers between 1 to 100, we just make a table and write down all the numbers from 1 to 100. Now, the first step is to leave 1. We can leave 1 because 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Now, second number is 2. Encircle 2 and cross all the multiples of 2. What we have to do? We have to just encircle 2 and cross all the multiples of 2, or you can say all the even numbers. Okay. After crossing all the even numbers, now consider the next number, that is 3. Leave 3 and cross all the multiples of 3. 9, 15, 18 we have already crossed, 21, 24 already crossed, 27, 30 already done, 33, 36 already done, 39. Similarly, we have to cross all the multiples of 3. Now go to the next number, that is 4. As 4 is already crossed, so leave it. Now come to the next number, that is 5. So encircle 5 and then start crossing all the multiples of 5. Then come to 6. Now 6 is already crossed. Come to 7. Encircle 7 and cross all the multiples of 7. This is how we have to go about. So when all the numbers will either be crossed or encircled, the process stops and we get all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. The numbers which are encircled in the box, the numbers which are encircled in the box, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 37, 23, 31, 41. All these numbers which are in a square box, these are all are prime numbers, and the numbers which has been crossed, all these are composite numbers. So this shows that all the covered numbers are prime and all other crossed numbers are composite numbers except 1, because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now next is even and odd numbers. All the multiples of 2 are even numbers, and to check whether the number is even or odd, we can check the number at its ones place. If the number contains 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, and then the number is given even number, and the number which are not even are known as odd numbers, or you can say the number which is not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. Remark that 2 is the smallest even number, or you can say 2 is the only even prime number. All the other prime numbers are odd other than 2. So students, today we discussed about factors, multiples, prime number, composite numbers, even and odd numbers. So That's all for today. In our next class, we will learn about the divisibility test of the numbers. Thank you.